Why you wanna play with me? You know I'm undefeated. I'd rather keep it real with ya.
It was straightened, but now it's time to do something to this, okay? I'm going to apply the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. For short, I call it Bentonite Clay. So, I've never had an issue with heat damage. Never had an issue with it. But I wanted to define my curls a bit more and just give it some tender loving care. So this clay aids in not only drawing toxins from the hair, but helping with irritated or flaky scalp. The natural minerals in the clay help to moisturize and reduce frizzy hair and also promote hair growth. So I don't even know what you want to call this right now. I don't know what this is. I know I'm tearing this gum up, y'all. It tastes so good. I need some energy from somewhere. Do you hear me? It's so late here. It's like about 12 o'clock here. Usual, just getting off of work. I'm sleepy. But I need to do something to my hair, like, y'all. I've been walking around like this for a couple of days. I don't think this is not appreciated, or it's not cute. So I'm not measuring this at all. I'm just using this to scoop out the bentonite clay and place it in a bowl. Now I'm going to use my apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to keep adding more as needed until the clay is very smooth and very clay-like. So although I'm using apple cider vinegar, feel free to add whatever you would like to this mix. Instead of vinegar, you can use aloe vera juice instead, which is also very moisturizing. See, my clay is a bit lumpy right now. I'm just going to continue stirring until my clay is very smooth. And also I want to mention on the directions for the bentonite clay, it shows to use a non-metal spoon to stir with. So make sure you're doing that as well. So the clay is becoming smooth and clay-like, and you want to make sure you make enough to cover your hair. If you have shorter hair, you can do less. If you have longer hair, you can do more. Now that my clay is made, I'm going to rinse and detangle my hair, which I'll be using the Dew One Love Co-Wash, which is starting to become one of my favorite products, really. It literally washes, detangles, and conditions all in one. Check out my product review if you haven't already. Now my hair is washed and detangled, I'm going to start applying the clay. I'm first going to make sure that my hair is very damp, and then I'm going to take a generous amount of the clay and apply it all over to the small section. y'all, look at this. My skin is brighter. My curls are obviously more defined. There is just nothing to dislike about this clay. It always comes through every time. So I probably do a bentonite clay mask about every 2 to 3 months, just when I notice that my hair just needs a little extra life. And also, not to mention, this is very good for a balm defined wash and go. And of course, I could not leave you guys without showing you a before and after pic of the bentonite clay. You can clearly see my hair on the right is more defined after the clay. Thank you guys so much for watching and keeping it locked. I'll be back next week for more.